Our journey begins in lush coconut groves, where millions of palm trees thrive under the tropical sun, yielding the natural foundation of luxury soap production. Nurtured by rich soil and coastal climate, these coconuts develop high-grade natural oils essential for creating a rich, creamy lather. Skilled agricultural workers harvest mature coconuts at peak ripeness, using traditional poles to select only the highest quality yield. Each harvested coconut is split open by hand, revealing the fresh, dense white meat known as copra, rich in natural fatty acids. Workers meticulously separate the oil-rich meat from the outer husks, preparing the raw organic material for its industrial transformation. Once harvested and dried, tons of raw copra are loaded into collection vehicles, ready to be transported to the modern processing facility. Arriving at the high-volume processing plant in Rahim Yar Khan, the raw coconut material transitions from traditional agricultural fields into a modern industrial pipeline. Hydraulic tippers unload thousands of tons of copra daily, creating a continuous stream of raw ingredients required for large-scale soap manufacturing. Heavy-duty intake conveyors carry the bulk material into the factory interior, where automated machinery takes over the refining process. The material spreads across high-frequency vibrating tables, where preliminary mechanical screens remove loose dirt, dust, and husk fragments. Advanced optical sorters scan thousands of pieces per minute, using targeted airbursts to eliminate discolored or substandard coconut fragments instantaneously. The selected copra enters as a rotary washing chamber, where high-pressure water jets scrub away remaining impurities to ensure maximum purity for oil extraction. High-temperature steam sanitizes the cleaned coconut meat while preconditioning the organic tissues to optimize the oil release during mechanical pressing. Heavy mechanical screw presses exert immense force on the material, expelling raw golden coconut oil without the use of harsh chemical solvents. The extracted raw oil flows through multi-stage filtration units, removing fine solids to produce pure, golden coconut oil ready for saponification. Inside massive, multi-story saponification reactors, pure coconut oil undergoes a precise chemical reaction with alkali, forming the fundamental soap base. Under intense thermal energy and continuous mechanical agitation, fatty acid chains break down and bond, transforming raw liquid oil into thick soap paste. The newly synthesized hot soap paste is continuously pumped through temperature-controlled pipelines toward the vacuum drying and refining stage. Inside vacuum drying chambers, the liquid soap is sprayed into fine mist particles, rapidly evaporating excess water to achieve optimal moisture content. The flash-dried soap solidifies into billions of dry white soap noodles, forming the purified, stable raw material, ready for color, fragrance, and shaping. In the dosing room, pure French rose oils and signature pink pigments are precisely measured and added to the refined soap noodles. Heavy-duty industrial mixers blend the batch thoroughly, ensuring even fragrance distribution and a consistent, velvety texture throughout the entire soap matrix. The blended pink mixture flows into a high-pressure plodder where twin motorized screws compress the material to eliminate air pockets. Forced through a temperature-controlled heating die, the compressed soap emerges as a seamless, dense log of uniform pink soap base. Gliding across low-friction roller beds, the continuous soap ribbon cools slightly as it approaches the high-precision cutting station. A high-speed rotary wire cutter slices through the warm soap ribbon, with micromillimeter precision, creating perfectly sized raw soap billets. Thousands of uniform soap blocks line up along high-speed feeder tracks, synchronized to feed directly into the automated stamping presses. Before stamping begins, skilled technicians carefully calibrate the brass dies to guarantee absolute symmetry and smooth surface execution. The mirror-polished brass molds are coated in a fine water mist, preventing sticking and ensuring a flawless, glass-smooth logo impression. Human expertise remains critical. Experienced inspectors evaluate the firmness, fragrance, and surface quality of the billets before final pressing. High-speed laser scanners inspect every passing soap block in real time, measuring surface contours down to the micron to ensure flawless uniform geometry. Any piece exhibiting a weight deviation or surface nick is instantly ejected by high-speed air pistons, returning to the extrusion system for reprocessing. Under tons of hydraulic pressure, mirror-finished brass dies compress the billets, imparting the bar's signature curved ergonomics and iconic branded crest. The dies retract smoothly, leaving behind a perfectly sculpted bar of soap with crisp logo debossing and mirror's smooth surface characteristics. Automated polishing brushes sweep away seam lines, creating a seamlessly smooth contour that feels pleasant and ergonomic in human hands. The finished brass bars funnel into multi-lane packaging corridors, traveling seamlessly at high velocity toward the automated flow wrapping machinery. Specially coated, moisture-resistant film feeds through high-speed wrappers, wrapping each soap bar tight to seal in fragrance and protect surface finish. Thermal crimping jaws instantly melt and seal the package ends, while rotary blades slice the film with clean, razor-sharp edge precision. Mechanized pusher arms stack and organize wrapped bars into multi-unit configurations, wrapping them in clear protective outer film for bulk distribution. Integrated check weighers and X-ray systems scan every multi-pack, verifying exact mass and structural integrity before final box packing. Automated case packers erect heavy corrugated cardboard boxes, rapidly arranging multi-packs into dense shipping cases for transport. Hot melt adhesive seals the carton flaps tightly, while high-speed inkjet printers apply precise lot numbers and production dates onto the box exterior. Sealed shipping cases travel along elevated roller tracks, converging toward the high-capacity automated palletizing zone. Articulated industrial robotic arms lift multiple cases simultaneously, stacking them onto wooden pallets with calculated structural stability. Once a pallet layer is complete, automated stretch wrapping machines spin the entire load, locking the cases in heavy-gauge protective film. High-reach electric forklifts transport the wrapped pallets into a massive, climate-controlled distribution warehouse. Floor-to-ceiling racking systems hold millions of freshly manufactured soap bars, organized for efficient dispatch to global supply networks. At the dispatch bays, staging teams load pallet after pallet into long-haul transport trailers destined for retail markets worldwide. With the cargo secured, heavy container doors lock in place, completing the transition from raw coconut to globally distributed luxury product. Trucks depart the facility daily, carrying millions of soaps from this industrial center to markets, homes, and consumers across the globe. Reaching store shelves across continents, the finished product stands as a testament to high-volume industrial precision and natural origin. Unwrapped, the flawless bar reveals its smooth ergonomics, delicate French rose scent, and iconic stamped crest. In the hands of the consumer, warm water activates the coconut-derived fatty acids, transforming the solid bar into a rich, moisturizing foam. Every bar brings the pure, nourishing properties of organic coconut oil and the exactness of modern manufacturing directly into daily personal care. From vast tropical coconut groves to millions of homes worldwide, this is the seamless harmony of nature, craft, and industrial scale. LUX, crafted with care, refined by technology, and perfected for you.